This is one of the lawyers for the two gentlemen you just saw standing out. Not the.
Hey,
not
Judge,
the
how you
one.
doing? Can I reapproach on Mr. DeJuan White?
Okay.
I would like to file a motion to withdraw on his case. Would you consider that?
Yes, of course.
Okay, let me file it.
What happened?
He would like to have his paid lawyer handle his case.
Like, do we know, has someone signed on?
I'm not sure. He does not want me to represent him any
We
longer.
need someone to represent him. So if someone gets on, great. Do you want me to explain to him something?
Well, Judge, let me file my motion and then we'll go from there, I guess, if you want to.
I need someone, he's got to have some counsel representing him. You're here, you're wonderful.
It's not going good, Judge. It's not going good.
I get it,
Yeah.
and I understand. But hey, do you mind bringing him out again?
Also, I was gonna ask if, because you refuse at this point, I'm gonna start going for the governor's warrant.
Go, do it.
But my thing is, if you, I'm pretty sure you'd like to understand he's gonna be in jail for 90 days waiting for this.
I will explain that to you. Who's next? Come on.
Next, page 13, Henderson, bond violator. Next one is page 21, Thomas. It said
5,002.
Hey, have we mentioned that Victoria needs a raise? Where's
right
the
on page 41.
where's the
Yeah, is
hashtag? We
anyone
need a
else after
hashtag.
that?
Victoria needs a raise.
Okay. Hey, I get you're not happy. And I'm sorry, but we're not here to please you, right? You have an open fugitive case. I don't care if you have Jesus next to you. My only concern is public safety and if you're a flight risk. You've proven to me on multiple occasions that you are a flight risk. You have a dangerous case here. And then what does he have over there?
For there, it's, I believe, by
The larceny?
larceny.
Yeah, you've got an open felony case there. If you think that you're gonna get a good result by continuing to pick up cases, it's not gonna happen. So it's not Ricardo, it's not Stephen, it's not Dave, it's who is it? Yeah, who is it?
Me.
Right. It has nothing to do with anyone. And I get that you're not happy with him, but it has nothing to do with him. It has only one person. And that's the problem. You cannot continue to pick up cases and expect a good result. It doesn't make me happy keeping another brother in custody. It doesn't. But public safety is paramount. And you've already shown to me over and over that you're not willing to comply. Not only do you have that case, but you've picked up a case here. You just got done with another case that you had at least two different times that they had to revoke your bond because you're MIA. Really. The proof is in the pudding, man. That's all it is. So you are now a refusal. So all the time that you sit in custody, you get no credit for. What's going to happen is they're going to go get a governor's warrant. And at that point, we're going to be waiting. You'll be sitting in there 90 days waiting on a governor's warrant from, you say Illinois?
This one from, sorry, Georgia.
From Georgia. You have the right to waive formal extradition. In that event, we give Georgia 14 days to come get you. If they don't get you at that point, they release you. They file a motion to dismiss the fugitive case, and then it's over with. You get released. That doesn't kill the warrant. You will eternally have a warrant out of Georgia until you go take care of this. So even if they let you out of here because Georgia doesn't come within the 2 weeks, you will still have that open warrant. And they, as soon as you walk out of Harris County Jail, they can sit there, have a deputy waiting, rearrest you, and take you right back in. And then you'll be waiting another 14 days. It will eternally follow you until you take care of it. You've got to take care of business. Otherwise, it's going to keep happening. Sure.
I was trying to explain to him, I've never been arrested for drugs, not one time in my life. I don't know where it came from. The other ones,
Did I ever say anything about drugs?
I get you, but it's just, I was trying to explain to him, I have 6 kids, and I've been on the
Now,
The
how are
gun-
you gonna take care of 6?
and that's what I was trying to explain to him. I have 6 kids, and I have literally 1 child on the way that is due in July.
My Lord, so now you
That's why
got,
I'm like-
now you got 7 kids.
Yes, but that's why I was saying that. I was
And
trying to
with-
explain to him, if they decide to give me a bond here, I still have to come up with the money for the bond for the gun charge. But if
How
they,
is that fair that instead of food and clothes, they gotta pony up a ton of money for you just to get out? How is that fair? How is that fair that we are taking food out of their mouths? They need food to eat. They need clothes on their back because they gotta live.
that's what I was saying, it was gonna put me on the ankle monitor, so y'all didn't think that I was gonna fleece her.
Pete, you can still cut that off.
That's not my intentions. I literally have a child on the way like I did in
The road
Austin.
to hell is paved with good intentions. You ever heard that?
I'm sorry.
Judge, if he does have a GPS, placed as a
No.
condition,
I don't care about a GPS. I don't care. My
Oh my God.
only
That was
concern
messed up.
is history has shown what's gonna happen. That's it,
Shut up.
really. And I gotta say, I'm not even gonna go there, but let us know what you want to do. You don't need to make a decision now. The only thing I'm telling you is that the time, because your refusal, you're not earning any credit. So take that into consideration. He did make bond on the felony, right?
No, Judge.
Oh, sir.
Oh, so even,
Set at 20,000 up there.
so it doesn't matter, even if you waive here, because you've not made bond in the felony case, you're still not earning time. What has to happen is the case needs to be taken care of upstairs, and at that point, the time will start running.
That's why I was trying to tell you, my mom, she literally was talking to the lawyer about the felony case, and she was saying like, by any means necessary, I will make it to this because that's not my lifestyle anymore. I messed up with the gun, and I truly understand
Don't
that.
say anything about the case. I've got a bunch of DAs here. They're gonna sit there and write everything that you need to do, that you're saying. Just, I can't, I know that but I can't do it. I'm sorry. The only thing I wanted to tell you is that I know that you're not happy with him. It's not him, it's me, and it's you, and that's all it is. So, okay, thanks.
Judge, I'll go over the options of where we're at right now. I'll explain that to my client and explain to him how he can move forward and what the options.
The only other thing I would suggest, please, is if you can reach out to the felony lawyer to let them know that here, nothing's gonna happen until that case is taken care of upstairs. Perhaps they can set up a trial earlier. Perhaps they can negotiate some kind of agreement earlier. That way the time here starts running as well.
Let me talk to my client, I'll update him on everything and come back and update you, Judge.
It's, and I'll tell you who it is. Hold on a second.
It's next set for July
July
8th, so if he
I have Kevin
waives,
Wright,
sorry? Oh, for the defense attorney, sorry, I meant the prosecutor.
Kevin Wright.
Kevin,
Um,
right.
But if the 14 days runs today, then he would have another 12 days to come back from Georgia to here to make the next court date. But again, that's if he waives today and he gets sent by transport.
Let me talk to my client, see what's going on. I'll explain to him his options as far as how counsel is concerned and how he can move forward if he wants to do that.
Okay,
Okay,
thanks, guys.
Thank you, Judge.
Down, come on up. He did re-enroll in school, Judge, as instructed.
So are you appointed or you retained in this case? Is mom here as well?
Yes, yes, yes.
Come up, mom. You can come up.
Judge, for Barrows, did we have any special bond conditions for a trial?
Same as normal with the DWI. And then she's here in shorts, man. I'm gonna talk to her here in a second.
I'll speak with the judge.
No more marijuana. Do you understand? I will test you 40 to 45 days from today. If you test positive again, that tells me that you've continued to smoke. I'm going to put you in jail and I'm going to make your bond high. You got to understand, your mom probably doesn't have a lot of money as it is. Every time you go to jail, it's going to cost her money to get you out when she could be feeding and using that for rent. Do you understand? You are also to stay in school, not hang out with the people that you were in this car. No associating with the co-defendants in this case. No weapons. Stay in school. Do you understand? We've now given you a lawyer. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with counsel, and he will tell you if and when you have to come back to court. If he tells me he can't get a hold of you because you're playing games, I will issue a warrant. And I'm going to tell you now, I'm not going to give you any more PR bonds. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything that you'd like to add? Do you need anything? Because I don't know how he is when he's at home with you. Does he act up? Does he help you out?
Yes, he helps me out. He does side jobs at home. Recently, I was able to get him enrolled back into his homeschooling program, so he's actively working on it.
Okay, I'm going to want proof that he's actually enrolled in school and actually doing well.
You can provide it. It's online.
Great. And I'm also giving him a curfew because I don't want you out in the middle of the night. You're getting a curfew of 10 p.m. and I'm putting a monitor on your ankle so I know that you're not out. Do you understand?
Sir.
Don't act a fool. You start being a danger in the free world, I will take the free world away from you in a second. My only concern is public safety. And when you're in a stolen car with a bunch of other people with stolen guns and everything, that's not a good look. All you're going to do is end up with a number on your back, perpetually in and out of jail, never amounting to anything. That's not a good way to go through life. Life is a journey. It can be a great journey where it's filled with love, fun, vacations, nice cars, or it can be a miserable, rotten toilet of an existence where you never have any money. You argue with everyone about everything because you ain't got no money, you got no education to be able to support yourself. That's not a good way. That you don't go through life like that. And it starts now at 17. You understand, Mr. Melendez? You won't get any more warnings from me. Straighten up and fly right. You stay with me. Okay, guys, thanks.
Thank you.
We will pay for everything for you, so it shouldn't be a dime out of your pocket, okay?
Thank you.
All right, Mom, thanks.
Yes, sir.